What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Armor Typhon 223s. Yeah, what I'm doing today, I'm gonna run this. Cause the last time I ran this, I ran on 4S, and I want to make sure it's all right. The motor still seems a little stiff to me, but it's still a little free. Just want to make sure everything is okay. I don't think it is. She got a little more pep than that. Time to drop it. Here we go. Yeah, that was a quick video. I'm gonna post this too to let y'all see what happened when you run it on 4S. Burnt out the motor. I smell the motor, so I burnt the motor out. ESC still good, but the motor is done. I may have a replacement motor for that, but I know the next time I'm not running this on 4S. So this is a lesson learned. This is what 4S does when you run it on 4S. Yeah, but what I try to do, I try to run my cars mostly all the steps I take when I run my cars and the aftermath after I run them. If I blow a motor from something, I'm gonna let y'all see it. I wasn't too sure if I blew it, but now I'm all the way sure I blew the motor. And now I gotta replace the motor, which is an easy thing. I got a 3S ESC in the house. I mean motor in the house, so it don't matter. Yeah, but I killed my Typhon 223s. Ready. I'm back out here. I switched the motor out. I got a 1250 kV motor. Still running factory ESC, but what I'm doing, I'm gonna use the factory ESC, running a 4S battery, running a 6S motor, team per hour. So I'm gonna see how you check the temps and everything. I don't expect it to have no problem though. And I got a new ramp I want to try out. Oh, I gotta introduce ducks. Perfect. There me. Yeah, I'm gonna check the temps real quick just to make sure everything is all right. And that can't be true. It's 76 on the ESC and 77 on the motor. Servo is at 80. Battery at 73. Yo, them temps ain't bad. But I'm gonna go hard. I'm gonna see how much it can take. I'll go in there. Whoa. Can't crash like that. Full throttle. Oh, something stuck in my steering. This can't handle loose gravel like that though. This thing is a rock. It seemed a lot faster though. Seemed a heck of a lot faster. I'm gonna do one more jump, then I'm gonna call it a day. But yeah, that motor, y'all see when I put it on 4S and it destroyed it. It destroyed the motor. I want to see if the ESC can take 4S. Temps ain't bad on there. I'm trying to full throttle the whole time just to see. Get some better tires, clean the shop. Armor tough. That thing is. Need some verticals. I can't tell if I'm even with this or not. Perfect. Yeah, I got a ramp, but I got a video coming up for that, so introducing my ramp, if I ain't put the video out already. Perfect. Yo. This ain't got no air control, so oh my god, I gotta fix this steering. Try to catch it in the air if I didn't that shot. Perfect. I wanted to try this ramp out on 3S. After this non-stop, I'm gonna check the temps again. mean, this launches it though. Pretty nice height. Not too high, not too low. Yo, put this on my head, man. I will be launching this thing to wazoo.